it is our mindset. It is our mind which makes us poor or rich. Because rich people psychology is very strong and poor people psychology is very low. This is only the difference. As we can see, rich people have confidence. They have confidence, and if we see poor people, they don't have confidence. Why? Because poor people confidence is down, because they think that they are poor, but they are not poor. Their mindset is poor, their psychology is poor. And what is the rich person's psychology? Their psychology is very rich, that's why they are rich person. So I mean to say, nobody is poor or nobody is rich. It is our mindset which makes us rich or poor. Like getting a rich or becoming a rich is not a big task. It is a small task. As I have explained you, everything is depend on our mind, on our mentality. So we should have poor person. Whoever is poor, don't mind. If you are poor, don't mind. You need to change your mindset. I am not criticizing to poor people. I am not abusing to poor people. I want to tell you, poor and rich is nothing. It is our mindset. Then we should change our mindset. We should have a strong mindset. And as soon as we think positively, we can do everything. As long as we think negatively, we can't do anything. So change your mentality. Think positive. Think energetic. Think optimistic. Think work like a rich person. I am telling like a rich person. So who is rich person? Whose mentality is rich? Whose mentality is rich? Who is mentally rich? He is actually rich person. Whose mentality is weak? He is poor person. So poor and rich is nothing, only mentality. We all have 24 hours in a day. So equally, whether he is a poor person or a rich person, every person has 24 hours. What is the difference between poor person and rich person? Difference is this: rich person always work in present. They have psychology of doing work at a time. And why the people are poor? Because they don't utilize their present. They always waste their present. They keep on weeping that we are poor. If you are poor, it is not your fault. But if you will be poor in future, it is your fault. Then how can be rich in future? If you use your present in a proper manner. If you use your present in a proper manner, in future you will also be rich. So this is the simply difference between a rich person or a poor person. The first and foremost point is to live in present. What is this? This is, don't think about your past and future. If you want to live in present moment, then you should not think about your past and future. Because as long as you think about your past and future, you will not able to live in present. So first of all, train your mind not to think about past memories and about future events. Because if we think about our past memories and future events, then we will always regret. That this is the biggest reason of feeling sad. So many people feel sad. Why they feel sad? Have you ever imagined? Have you ever analyzed? So many people feel sad. So many people feel upset. Why? Because they always live in past, or they think about their future. It is the biggest reason to always be upset. Then if you don't want to be upset, or if you don't want to be sad, then you should live in present. Namaste guys, Jai Hind. Guys, today's video is going to be very special for all of you. Why? Because in this video we will discuss about a very unique topic. Then guys, what is that topic? Look at how to live in present moment. Then guys, in this video we will discuss how to live in present moment. As we can see, present time, so many people think about their past and their future. They are not able to live in present moment. What is the reason behind of this? I will explain you in this video. So please don't skip the video and watch the video till the end. Then, as we can see or we know, so many people think about their past and future, but they should live in their present. In spite of trying, they are not able to live in their present. What is the reason behind of this? There are basically three reasons which I will tell you, which will help you to live in present moment. Then I am starting the video. What is the first point? Don't think about past and future. Then guys, because present is the best gift of God, and we should do our level best in our present moment, because time and tide waits for none. Then we should not lose our present moment. We should enjoy our present moment and don't think about future and past if you want to live in present moment. So it is the first and foremost point. Okay guys, now let's talk about the second point. Do your best in present. Then guys, if you wanna succeed in your life, if you want to become successful in your life, then you should keep one point in your mind. What is this? Do your best in your present. Because as we can see, what we have in our hands, what we have in our hands, we have our present. Then we should do our level best in our present. Because as we regret about our past, or if we think about our future, we will get nothing. Then we should do everything good. We should do as much as possible manner in our present. As soon as we do our task in our present, we feel very enjoyment. As soon as we do every work at a time or in present, we feel success internally. Then if you want to be successful in your life, then you should not postpone any work. You should not excuse. You should not make any kind of excuse. You should think what you have your present. Everybody has, not only you, but also everybody has present. Then we should do our level best in our present, because past and future is uncertain. Past and future we don't know. We don't know about future and we can't do anything with our past. Then on this thing we should concentrate. We should focus on our present, because present is the best gift of God, and we should not waste our present. We should utilize our present, because past time never comes back. It is said that past time never comes back. What we have present. That's why we should do every good thing in our present, because there should not be any postpone in good work, and each and every good work should be done in present time. So please do your best in your present. What is the third point? Don't waste your present moment. The third point is this: don't waste your present moment. because present moment is very important for everybody, and we can do everything in our present, and we should not lose our present because our present decides our future. Actually, everything is decided in present. Whoever do good work in present, then they definitely succeed in their life, because in present time we, for an example, I want to explain you with an example. As we know, everybody has present, like we all have 24 hours in a day. Poor person always regret. Poor person always think that I'm a poor. Rich rich person rich person thinks that I have to work in present. It is the difference. So for my for according to me, I want to explain you, nobody is rich or nobody is poor. Then you must be thinking, sir, what is richness or what is poorness? Then please change your mindset. Have a great mindset. Have a rich mindset. Then somewhere down the line you will also be rich. Your mentality will make you rich, or your mentality makes you poor. Then we should have a strong mentality. We should have firm determination. Then we can also be rich. So guys, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. That's it for today. Jai Hind.